Oh, what's up, buds? Back like I never left. Welcome to Wanna Buy, and today we have the Bose Sports Earbuds. Now, right now, the Bose Sports Earbuds are going for 180 bucks on Amazon. I put that link down in the description below so you guys can click that and see the current price and see if they have any deals or anything. When it comes to the colors, you can get these in this gray. Glacier white is what they call it, aka gray. You can get it in black and blue. So those are three different color options that you will be working with when you're looking to get these earbuds. When it comes to the waterproofness of these earbuds, you're gonna be looking at IPX4. If you guys don't know, we have a chart right here to show you guys, and that basically you're going to be sweat proof. So if you're working out in these, which these are really meant for, you're going to be fine. You'll probably be fine with a little bit of rain. They're not really super waterproof, but they can handle a little bit of rain, and they can handle sweat, so you're good with that if you're working out in the gym or just out on runs or any of that. All right, so when it comes to the battery life of these earbuds, they say you're gonna be looking at 5 hours of playtime on a single charge. I'll say you'd probably be looking at that 3 to 4, probably, depending on if you're playing on really loud. When I was using it at work, I did get about 4 hours out of it, but I didn't have it on loud all the time. I didn't have it on max loud. When it comes to the case will charge up your earbuds to full max 2 times. So if your earbuds are in, if they die, the case will charge it up 2 times. And when it comes to charging up the case, 10 minutes on a regular charger will give you an hour of charge time in the case. And then 15 minutes on a fast charger will give you 2 hours of the case. So if the case dies, you have a fast charger, 15 minutes will put 2 hours back in the case. So one thing that I did notice about these is the distance. They do work at a pretty good distance. So if you're working out or anything, you have your phone set, you'll probably get a good amount of distance. It says up to 30 feet or whatever, but I noticed when I was walking pretty far, I was waiting for them to cut off and they wouldn't. So I was like, oh, these work pretty good. So especially if you're at a court, if you have your phone on the sideline, like mid-court, in your bag, I think you're gonna be good. Full court wise, you're gonna be covered, I think so. There's pretty good distance on these earbuds. They do come with different wing tips, as you can see here. You have the wing tip on there, and that goes in your ear to keep it in place. But they do come with different ones if you need them. They have bigger or smaller size. I have the medium size on mine, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears and make sure it feels good and it doesn't move. So you do have the app, and in the app you can personalize the touch controls a little bit, not too much. It seems like it's really just the left one that you can do, and you only do like one function on it. They do have a volume that you can control the volume on there. They have tips as well. They have tips to show you how the things work and all that. You can connect multiple Bluetooth outlets to this. You can connect like your computer, your headphones, or all that just by pressing the button in the middle, which it also shows you in the app. And also they have an EQ where you can boost. You can use the presets, or you can manually customize the EQ you like. I personally like the default EQ. I just keep it like that. I thought it sounded better. Even with the EQs I was doing, I didn't really like the sound, so I just left it on the default. These are touch control. There's not a button, so you don't have to worry about buttons or none of that. So you're just gonna tap it, and 2 taps will start the music and pause the music and all that. And like I say, you can customize the left one to your liking in the app. Since I have these on already, let's just do a quick little left and right look, an on-ear look. As you can see, here we go. Left, what it looks like. Right. And I'm gonna try to show you guys, you see how the wingtip, it goes right under my little ear right there. It curves in. That's where you wanna get it, twist it in there, and that's where it'll sit, and then keep it from falling out. Keeps it from feeling like it's going anywhere at all. So that's why you'll use the different wingtips to get the right feel for your ears. One thing I do want to say is be careful when you pin these back into the charger. Make sure you are hearing that sound of the magnet clipping, and you're good to go. Because if you put it to the side a little bit, like you just put it, I can't really do it not looking, but if you put it in there and it looks like it's on, as you can see with this one, it looks like it's on, but it's not. And when you're rushing, see, even there it goes, it finally clipped in. When you're rushing or whatever to throw them in, you might not have them in right, and then you're gonna have a problem, because I did that at work. I was rushing to put them in, so later in the day when I went to go use them, they were already at 50%, both of them, because I didn't clap them on there right. And so just make sure, that's a little heads up I want to give you guys. So I think I did it multiple times using it, so just be careful. Make sure you hear the click and the magnet is on the earbud. All right, so when it comes to the sound quality of these earbuds, you do get that very clean sound from these earbuds. I like the mids, the highs. So the vocals, the instruments, the bass, everything works really good together. It sounds really clean. Like I said, you do have the EQ in the app to adjust it how you want and get that perfect sound. But I think just even with the default, you just get a very clean sound. Nothing sounds out of place. Even songs I listen to where the hi-hats or someone's vocals are really high and pitchy that can hurt your ears. These earbuds really control that and like compress that from getting out of control and hurting your ears. So I do give a thumbs up on that. If you have really sensitive ears, these are definitely a go-to to prevent that, because the sound is so clean. I really liked what I heard. Volume wise, the volume was pretty good. I do want to I think I want another 10% out of it, a little bit louder. And that's for, the volume head people out there that just like very loud music like me. Another 10%, but they are pretty loud as well, so you will be happy. Not a lot of people will be disappointed in the volume. The bass is pretty darn good. You get a nice little hit. It's not the thumpiest, punchiest bass we had out of other earbuds, but it's still pretty good, and it works well with the rest of the music. They all work as a unit. So overall, I like the sound. I like it's really clean. It's that Bose sound, and some people will hate that. Some people will love that, but I just like how clean it is. Don't really have to adjust nothing. So if you're looking for some sport, like workout earbuds, something to do when you're training or just working out, whatever, these are probably ones you want to look at. I always think wingtips are definitely something you want to look at, because it really keeps them from falling out of your ears and stuff. That's definitely the way to go. But these ones are really good. And if you guys want to see some more videos or more, different types of earbuds, check out one of these 2 videos right here, and you guys might like that. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll put the link down for these earbuds down below, and I'll see all you guys in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.